Okay, welcome back. Welcome back. This is Jasperactive Online Excel Associate Lesson 2, Manage Data Cells and Ranges. Exercise 7, because I didn't get both points last time, so I'm going to try it again. Learn to use a format painter. So we are going to, this is very similar to the one that we were just using in Lesson 6. The format painter is useful when you need to apply the same formatting feature from one cell to another. This exercise demonstrates how to use a format painter on one selection only. You need the desktop version to be able to apply the format painter to multiple selections. You will use this option in an interactive exercise. So add numeric formats. Format the invoice section first. Select cells B17 to B20. Then we want format, more number formats. Click the number under category, use 1000 separator, click OK. Then for a font, we want to use Arial. Boom, done. Next one, change the first number to the currency format, then use a format painter to copy the format down to the bottom number. So here's my first number. And I want to go to the currency format, it says. Then on the Home tab, click Format Painter, and I did it the first time this time. Format Painter is now highlighted. It's not actually highlighted, but you can see that a paintbrush appears next to my mouse over here, and the marquee is around the cell B17. So I'm going to click down here on B20, and notice that it changed it to a $sign because it's now in the currency format up here. And notice now this is turned off, the marquee is gone, and I no longer have the little paintbrush. Add a border to the bottom number. So we've got B20 still selected. We want to go up here to borders. I'm going to select top and bottom border. Third row, third option. Increase the font size to 14. Then click the format painter. And apply that to cell A12. Oh, darn it. I messed up. Let's undo a couple of things here. I did the top and bottom border. Right? Does it still have the top and bottom border? No. Okay. Let me redo the top and bottom border. Now it has a top and bottom border. Then I want to select cell A8. Font size of 14. And the format painter. And paint that to cell A12. And apply it there. There we go. Let's see how we did this time. Still not giving me that point. So let me know. Does that work for you? Can you get both points there? Or is maybe there a problem with Jasperactive? Or maybe it's because I screwed up and had to undo and go back. It's hard to say, but let me know how it works for you. When you submit lesson 2, just put a comment in the comment box and I'll get it from there.